Hi guys, today I will show you how to use our app na ginagamit natin sa scoring and lagay o pag-register o pag-record ng mga stats ng mga players during the game. So as you can see here, ito yung first game natin last Saturday. Between Triple R and GD Jewels. So if you can see here, ito yung Triple R, ito yung GD Jewels. If I click on games, nanalo ang Triple R against GD Jewels. The score is 41 yung GD Jewels, 85 yung Triple R. You can see here as well, games, talo. Talo yung GD Jewels. The score is 85-41 in favor of Triple R. So let's go to the games. Let's say we will go back to the game. Let's go back to the game. Games. Okay, so this is the box score. Let's say ito yung game and di pa tapos. Let's say ongoing pa rin yung game. If you want to see yung scores and other things, fouls, etc., just click on box score. Click on box score. Let's say ongoing pa rin yung game na to. Makikita nyo, si Paligutan is naka 20 points na. Naka ilang fouls na siya. Where's the foul? May maka 1 foul lang siya. So pag live yan, makikita nyo kung ilang foul na siya, ilang points na siya, etc. Okay? Let's say resume natin yung game. Resume natin. So isa yung magko-control ng bawat team. I mean isang tao magko-control ng per team. So we need two committee or 2 persons para ma-record yung mga stats natin. Okay, so let's say may magsasub. Click lang natin to. Or we can click this one here. Ayan ang nasa loob. Let's say may papasok. We unhighlight lang natin and then kung sino man yung papasok, which we will just select that. Okay. Kung lalabas si Rayos, papasok si Paligutan, unclick mo si Rayos, click mo si Paligutan, and then click OK. Okay? Ganon din sa kabila. Yun yung sub. Ngayon, pag may nag-commit ng foul, obviously, kiklik mo yung may nag-foul sa Triple R. Click mo yung foul and then choose kung sino yung nag-foul. Pag GD Jewels naman yung play na GD Jewels yung nag-foul, just click on GD Jewels. Same here. Kung may nag-foul, just click on the name of that player. Kung sino man yung nag-foul. Okay? Okay, let's say may nag-shoot ng 2 points pero hindi pumasok. I-record pa rin natin yon. So 2 points. Nag-attempt si Kenny. Click his name. So lalabas ngayon yung kanyang stats. Kung nakailang siya. Let's say gawin natin dito 2 points. Miss Kenny. So 2-point miss. So may 4 points siya and 2 out of 3 field goals. Pero i-undo natin. Yan pa. Pag nagkamali kayo, just click on undo. Okay? Okay, and ito yung sinasabi ko. Let's say gusto nyo makita yung box score. Yan, click nyo lang yung tatlong line na yan. Lalabas yung box score natin. Okay? Fouls, yung ilang fouls, ilang points, etc. Okay? Ngayon, may nag-attempt ng 3-point shot dito sa GD Jewels. 3-point shot attempt, pero nag-miss. Ulit. 3-point shot. Pag itong red means miss. Pag 2 is made. Okay? Made attempt, missed attempt. So, tumira siya ng 3 but na-miss niya. Click mo lang yan. So, makita niyan. Namokot 11 points siya. 1 out of 2 3-point shot. So, undo natin kasi ano lang yan. For record purposes lang. So, ganun lang. So, and then at the end of the game, you just click on this one. And then end. Okay? End mo siya. End game. End mo rin siya dito. end the game. Okay. All right. Let's say we have a new game. Ang maglalaban is halimbawa Olympic team. Okay, let's say Olympic team versus Philippines o Gilas versus Gilas. New game yan. Then next, gawin natin 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Click OK. 4 quarters. And then next. So let's say sino bang first 5 nila? So si Derek White, si Tyrese, si Tatang, si Steph, Kevin Durant. So yan ang first 5. So done. So as you can see here, yan na yung nasa loob. Okay? Kung may magka-sub, click on sub. Ngayon, pag naka-score yung kalaban, halimbawa, so kalaban nila Gilas, di ba? So teams natin, meron ba tayong Gilas dito? Let's say itong test team 1 ng Gilas. So select natin to. New game. Test team 1 versus USA Olympics. USA Olympics. Next. Edit. Gawin natin 10 minutes. 4 quarters. Next. Oh, meron din pala dito Lebron mga ano. Okay. Anyway, test team lang naman yan eh. So yan ang first 5. Alright, so ito na ngayon. USA Olympics. Ang kalaban, test team 1 ito. Okay. May nag-attempt ng 2 points. Si LeBron James. Pumasok. Tapos dito, may nag-attempt ng 3 points. Si Jimmy Santos. So makikita nyo 0 out of 1. Yung kanyang stats. Then nag-attempt ng 3 points. Si Steph Curry pumasok. So, kita nyo dyan. And the score is 0-5. Ngayon, may tumira ng 3 dito. Which is si Dondon Ontiveros. So, 3 sila. Dapat ini-scorean din natin yon. So, ilan na bang points nitong 5? So, may isang 3 saka may isang 2. So, isang 3 points. Lagay mo dito sa USA Olympics. Isang 2 points, lagay mo dito sa USA Olympics. And then, may tumira kanina, di ba? 3 points. And then, yung kalaban. So, ilagay mo sa kalaban. Ayan, ilagay mo sa kalaban yung 3 points. So, ang score mo dito is 3-5. Dito naman is 5-3. Okay? May tumira ng 3 points ulit dito, si Michael Jackson. So, 6 points na. So, lalagay mo yung 3 points dito sa Gilas team. Tama ba yan? Parang mali Ba ako nagkamali? So, Gilas, nakadalawang 3 points na pala sila. So, lagay mo dito, 2. So, para tali yung score natin. Okay? Tumira ng 3 si Kevin Durant, nagmintis. So, dito, ilagay mo rin dito, 3-point shot. Nagmintis. Ganun. So, ganun lang. So, kung may naka-score yung kalaban, lagay mo dito sa kalaban. Pag naka-score ang kalaban dito, lagay mo yung sa kalaban dito. Ganun lang. Para maging accurate. Ngayon, yung assist naman, kasi tumira ng 3 si Steph Curry, in-assist siya ni LeBron. Ayan. So, dito, lalagay mo rin yung 3-point shot ni Steph Curry. Para maging 8-6, 8-6. Parehas lang, di ba? And then yung assist, si LeBron ang nag-assist, bigyan mo siya ng assist. Okay, ganun lang. Turnover, foul, etc. Andito rin, foul. Andito yung foul. Dito rin yung foul. So, pag nag-foul si LeBron, Nakita mo, 1 foul, tapos nag-foul siya ulit. 2 fouls. So, para ma-track din natin. Okay? Alright, let's end the game. End the game. End game. Let's end the game. End the game. Ganun lang. So, if you have any... At saka pala, pag alam ba, na-lock natin to. Ang password natin for both iPads is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Itong isa naman is ganun din. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, hanapin natin yung easy stats. Okay? So, yun lang. Any questions, let me know. See you this Saturday.